We're rolling?
Mhm.
Alright, here we go. Number 20 on the back says drag each expression on the left to its correct answers. So all we're going to do is get some scratch paper and change these fractions to decimals. Start with the first one. What is negative 6 and 5/8?
6.625.
6.625. Good. So we got negative 6.625 plus, what is 4 2/3?
4.6 repeating.
4.6 repeating minus 3. Alright, grab your calculators. Make sure that if you have that repeating decimal that you fill the entire screen up with it. And remember, if you put an ugly decimal in, your answer may not be perfect, but it'll be really close. Where's your study guide?
I don't know.
Then you need paper. This is a test grade. Alright, when you put that in the calculator, negative 6.625 plus 4.6 minus 3, what does it give you?
4.958.
Positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative 4 point what?
9583334.
Alright, if you look at the answer choices, there's only one with a negative 4. But if you've got the OCD like I do, you're going to want to double check and make sure you're right. So if you put 23 divided by 24 in your calculator, Connor, do that for me. 23 divided by 24. What does it give you?
0.958.
Did it give us what we wanted? 9583 repeating. So we know we got the right answer. Are we good on that one?
Yep.
Alright, look at the next one. 2 minus, what is 3 7/8? What is 3 7/8? Help me out, who's got a calculator? 3 7/8? 3.875. Plus, what is 5 1/3? 5 1/3. 5.3 repeating. 5.3 repeating. So, Gilmer's got her calculator. She's hitting it up for me. 2 minus 3.875 plus 5.3, and you're going to fill the entire screen up with 3s. What'd you get, Gilmer?
I got 3.4583 repeating.
3.4583 repeating. Ricky, as I look at the answer choices, which one does it look like is going to go with what we want?
The last one.
The last one. Now, Ricky, because I have control problems, I want to make sure I'm right. Put 11 divided by 24 in your calculator. What did it give you? 11 divided by 24. 11 divided by 24.
0.458.
458, what? Is that what we wanted? We know we got the right answer. Now, that only leaves us 1 19/20 for the last spot, but because this is a 9 weeks test, we're going to go ahead and check it and make sure it's right. So let's change the last one. What is negative 12 3/8? Negative 12 3/8. What's 3/8?
12.375.
Negative 12.375 plus 8 1/5. What's 8 1/5?
8.2.
Very good, 8.2. Plus 6 1/8. What is 1/8?
6.125.
125. Alright. And when you put that in there, hopefully it will give us 1 point something. 1 point something. Gussie's got it. Tell me what you get, Gussie, when you finish. You got 1 point what? 1.95 is correct, and that is 19/20. That is 19/20. Any questions on those? Pretty easy. Y'all don't be lazy on those and not want to work them out, because they do take a little bit of work, but they are not hard at all. You gotta have some scratch paper to be able to do it, or there's no way to memorize all those decimals. Okay, I need everybody to get that one right. Don't be lazy. Are we good? Alright. I'm gonna skip down to 22. 22 says, which situation makes 0? A building has 8 floors above ground and 1 floor below ground. The elevator goes up 6 floors and then comes back down 1 floor. If the elevator goes up 6 and then down 1, where's it at? It's on the 5th floor. How far is the elevator from the top? Does that make 0? So we don't pick that one. Alright, B. Vincent makes $56 on Thursday, $56 on Friday. How much money did he earn? Why does that not make 0, Abigail?
Because
You add those together. Not 0. What if it would have said Vincent earned $56 on Thursday and then spent $56 on Friday? That would be 0. Good. Alright, number C says the record low temperature is -23. Today the temperature is 0. What is the difference between those temperatures? 23 degrees. Is that 0? Nope. Hopefully this one is. Brittany runs 2 miles north to the park, and then she runs 2 miles south back to her house. How far is Brittany from her starting place? She's back where she started. That is 0. Good on that one? How many of y'all like those 0 problems and you feel like you're going to do pretty good on them? Excellent. Good deal. Good deal. Good. Alright. 23 is also one of those that's not hard at all. You just got to take your time. Now look, I have somebody every year that misses problem like number 23 because they leave out one of the moves. So make sure that you go through, and especially on your computer screen because you can't write on it, double and triple check that you do not leave out any of the up downs, okay? Alright, so we've got stock. What does it say the starting stock price is? 58 and 1/8. What is 1/8? 125. Alright, so we got that. Then it says it goes down 3/8. What does down mean we're going to do? Down means we're going to what? Subtract. And what is 3/8? 3.75. Then it says we go down by 2 1/4. Please make sure you don't leave off the 2 or the 1/4 since it's split it up. That's 3/8. What do you think it is? Well, that's what I meant. Alright, if we go down 2 1/4, what does down mean?
Subtract.
Subtract. What does 2 1/4 mean?
2.25.
2.25. Alright, and then it says we go up by 3/4. Up means we're what? Adding. 3/4 means 0.75 or 0.75. And finally we go up by 1.5. Up means what? 1.5 means 1.5. So very carefully put that in, and you're going to get me the price of the stock after 4 days. What'd you get, love?
57.75.
All right. Abigail says 57.75. You got 139. You got 54.375. All right, we're getting different answers, so let's go slow and double check. It is 57.75. So if you've got something different, just go back and it's so easy to hit the wrong button. So that's why I say triple check these. Because it's not hard and you don't want to miss it just because you hit the wrong button on the calculator. You can go back and try it one more time and make sure you get it. Those of y'all that did not get 57.75. I hate these calculators. These calculators, the big ones, they store the numbers that you put in so you can see exactly what you punched in, so it makes it so much easier. Those ones, hot mess.
Well, my calculator was acting up, so I had to go scrap this paper.
And do all that math? You got it? Good. All right. Anybody else question on that one? $57.75. If you get something that does not look like money, go back and check it, okay? This was a money problem, so your answer should look like money. All right, last one. And I saved it for last because it's the one that I told y'all I missed the first time I ever worked it. We've got 3 locations: Harrison's house, the barber shop, and the diner. How did I tell y'all to put those on the map?
Like that.
In that order, like it gives you at the top. That will be the order they go in. So what comes first?
Harrison's house.
Harrison's house comes first. What comes next? The barber shop. And what is last? The diner. Alright, so we got Harrison's house, the barber shop, and the diner all in a row. Put them in that order and you will not mess up like I did. Alright, it says the diner is 7 5/6 miles from Harrison's house. Is 7 5/6 this little piece, or the whole length? 7 5/6 from Harrison to the diner. It's the whole length, so I'm going to put it at the bottom. Even though I'm running out of room. 7, keep cutting this thing off. 7 5/6. Alright, it says from the barber shop to Harrison's house is 4 1/3. So do I put 4 1/3 there, or do I put 4 1/3 there?
In between the 18.
I put it right there. I didn't realize that looked kind of ugly. Sorry. Alright, now we